I am very excited to film this video, and let's get started. Hi guys, I am so excited for today's video. As you can tell, you can probably see where I am. I'm at my warehouse currently. If you guys didn't know, I have a whole warehouse that has all the squishies and everything that we do that revolves around my website, which is CharmsLOL.com, so check that out if you haven't. Before we start this video, go follow my Instagram account. It's CharmsLOL_official if you want to see like all the new products and everything that we get. And it's really hot in here, but I turned the fan off because it's really loud. And I'm gonna start sweating. But if you guys couldn't already tell, this is a warehouse tour. I'm so excited. Let's just jump in. When you walk into the door, you see my whole warehouse, which I'm going to show you guys. It's really messy right now because we just got done with like a day of shipments and stuff. So sorry, but yeah. Okay, so when we first walk in, there are rows and rows of all these squishies. I'm gonna kind of show you guys like the theme, like the organization and everything of these first. This is the first one. We have some over here. Mainly these are all poly squishies. Like there is a fat. More polys. I don't know why that is there. It's not supposed to be. That's okay. More polys. Yep, there's a ton of polys here. Got these guys. There's a few like eye bloom things here as well. Like down there. And then more polys. There's these guys here as well. And we have some Halloween squishies up here. And yeah, over here are just like more polys that we didn't really have room for, I guess. And yeah. So now let's go around to the other side. This is, sorry it's really dark because we have these things so the squishies like don't get like hurt by the sun. But this side is mainly Pony Maru, and then this, oh wait, no, opposite. This side is mainly Eye Bloom, and then there's Pony Maru on they're kind of mixed, honestly. So up here we have the animal popsicles. We have some jumbo cheekies, some more cheeky squishies. These guys. Down here we have some Yummy Bear stuff, yeah. Over here we've got some polar bears and penguins, melon pans. We have the bunny ice candies. Some more polar bears. These are mini ones. Some dragon eggs. We have some little ice creams, the marshmallow kittens, jumbo marshmallow kittens, some of the owls. Over here, some melon pan buns. These are the lollipop girl chigiris. There's a few poly items here, like heart macaroons. We have some mini penguins. Some of the papayas, these really big lollipops. Over here we have some share pan or wake pans. We have some poly tofus, the huge million billies, some more of these share breads. Some more, we got some cloud bears. And yeah, now moving on to this side, there's some of the mousse cupcakes here. We have tea time bears and then a bunch of Millie, Billy, and Roxy's. There's jumbos and minis. And like a bunch of different variations. We have Aoyama Tokyo. We have some gold bars. We also have the mini ones. Some I Bloom toasts. We have the marshmallow like blind bags. Down here we have some jumbo cheesecakes, some royal soft loaves. Over here we've got some more I Bloom things. There's like tankers. We have the angel bunnies. We have, whoops. We have some I Bloom hearts. Koalas, some more Roxy's. We have peaches, all different sizes. We have some strawberries. We have the Nyan Cat butter pancakes. We have the Harajuku bears. We have these huge I Bloom loaves. Some more like different I Bloom breads and stuff. These are so cute. These are the whipped cream unicorns. Over here we have some foxes, lollipop girls, Mr. White marshmallow bear. We have some mochi seals, mini and jumbo, some pirate birds, yummy pocky, a bunch of different yummy bears here. We have like the yummy bear macaroon. We have some flippy squishies. We have the frogs, the octo stacks, the pirate marshmallows. We have some of the pandas. These are the yummy bear ice creams, some grapefruit and oranges. These are the animal dango series. Some more yummy bear stuff. Yeah. Over here we've got karate marshmallow. We have the bear pancakes, some dreamy sheeps, some poops, and then like the oranges. Oops. We have bananas. We got the jumbo ones. We got the mini guys. We have some cheeky things. We have the cinnamon donut by Creamy Candy. We have some Yummy Bear Princess donuts. We have some of the Creamy Candy mini sweets collections. We have some mini strawberries. We have the Shibas, the Annie Melly Shibas. Got some more bananas. They're really big. We have some cheeky disco donuts. Some more cheeky stuff. Yummy Bear Pirate. The Pooh Yummy Bear. Some kiwis and lemons. The Yummy Bear Burger. Down here are some like donuts, like cheeky like pineapple and such. So there's that. Moving on to this side, these are kind of more like common. These are like the less expensive squishies, I guess. So we just have a ton of different things up here. Just gonna kind of like let you guys just like browse. Some turtles and such. Yeah, we have like the animal donuts here. I don't know why it's not focusing. Yep. Here are a bunch of Mother Garden squishies. You got the fat pawpaw radish hands. Some more Mother Garden. We have some Disney buns down there. Over here we have some Sunny's Kitchens. We've got some of these Snoopy breads. Shigiri's, these Disney hamburgers. Pat Pat Zoo sheeps. Disney dongos. Some poo toasts. These are Cafe Sakura, I think. Just some more random things. Here are like squeeze toys and like capsule things. I think there we have some more of those there. Squeeze toys and capsule things. On this side we have a ton of Cafe Dien things. This. Just a bunch of different Cafe Dien squishies. We've got the koala biscuits. More Cafe Dien's. There's a ton of them. Just everywhere. Ooh, we have some pepper cha-cha squishies. These are the mini bonbon loaves. We have the cupcakes. These all like have like tags and stuff. We have the honey syrup collab cupcakes. Some Cutie Creative buns. We have these marshmallow macaroons. This one. Cutie Creative mini burger. More Cafe Dien's. We have some Cutie Creative loaves, some Rilakkuma and Sumiko Garashi stuff. We have like the Tummy and Tammy squishies by Cutie Creative. We have these Sanrio dongos. Yep, we have tofus, Hanari tofus. We have Kirby macaroons. We have Sanrio Care cones. Yep, we have some more just like random super cute squishies. We've got like Hello Kitty, we've got Capybara-san. There are a bunch of Hello Kitty fruits. We have Amuse. Just a bunch of different things. Here we have some more like Hello Kitty things. There. Over here, let's see, we've got cinnamon roll. We've got these, like these bun packs that are really, really squishy and cute. So a bunch of random like squishies. We have Miffy. Here's like some Sumiko Garashi. Cold Stone. More Sumiko Garashi. There's these Hug Me things. We have these Disney buns. And then we have jumbo ones. We have this kind too. Mini and jumbos. Got like My Melody. Winnie the Pooh. We have some Peko-chan. Amuse unicorns. Some squeeze toys. We've got these mini melon bun sets. More squeeze toys. We've got poop squeeze toys. Some toast like Rilakkuma, Sumiko. Bunch of stuff. Got some Disney pancakes, Snoopy pancakes, and Mickey biscuits. Some more Cafe Dien's. Snoopy stuff. And yeah. Then over here is like kind of like all the stock we have. We have a bunch of different boxes and rows, and I'll show you some more, but they all just are filled with like our stock, and we refill like the bins that I just showed you guys. And we just have like a ton of boxes back here where we just refill like everything, and this is like all our stock and stuff, so that's super, super cool. When you walk over here, it is really, really messy right now. But I wanted to show you guys, because this is kind of where we do like all the packing. There's some in that bin right there. It's just full of like stock right now that I need to like put back. But yeah, so we have one computer here, one label printer. We have our scale, another printer. another computer with another label printer. On this iPad, we kind of take pictures of every order, so we just have, like, can keep track. These are not supposed to be here, but these are the I Bloom Princess strawberries. We have packaging, we have envelopes. These are not supposed to be here either. Yeah, we have business cards, we have more envelopes, we just have like random stuff, more envelopes, and it's like really, really messy right now, but we're gonna get to cleaning that now. So honestly, that's kind of it. So I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this warehouse tour. It was really fun making it, actually. Please comment down below different videos that you want me to film, because I really want to film more YouTube videos. I just kind of like don't really know what you guys want to see. So comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, check out my Instagram, check out my website. I love you guys so, 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 so much. I just want to thank you guys so, so, so much for watching this video and just being here, and I will see you guys later. Bye.